Then you start to revolve your body there. Right. Stiff. This is open. There. This is open. There. Right. It's up. There. Contact. Enter. From here. There. Switch. There. Right. This is not good. The foot is now. You need to do this where it's easy inside your body. Good. So I'm trying to put no legs. Raising this up with there. No shoulders. Stretch. Right, I need to come up the line here, and from this point, move your body up along, comes up here. And there, shift your body into this position. Then you take. So, up along, down, there. Right, raises this up, now to take time. Now I'm going to move from here. What's going to happen now? Walk straight into it. I've got to control my partner's position so I can turn this wrist away. Now from here, look, this is still wide. I need now to get into the back. Up. So what you're not trying to do is this. Here, this way. Step in. Down, there, this way, there, raise this up, there, now down. Right, now from this place, I need to move it. I'm not trying to push it away from me. I'm not doing this, because if I do this, then this is going to come round. Do this place, there, I need to control this part, and I need to take this forward together. So all the time the rear is chasing a hand. Now as I step back, I'm still controlling this. Now into this part. Right, now I'm still able to control the shot. Yes. This way. Change. Step in, change. There, stretch, 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 come on, come on.